Hello everyone, I am Himanshi from Gurukulam Gyanodaya Vidyapeeth. Kids, yesterday I went to the market and bought a water bottle. And the price tag on this bottle is this. Can you read this? No? Okay. And can you read this price tag on the steady? No. These are 3-digit number. Still now you have learned 1-digit number and 2-digit number from 0 to 99. Today we will revise them and will learn 3-digit numbers also. Okay, let's start. When we start counting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 1-digit number. These belongs to ones family. And this house name is ones. We write O. Okay? O refers to ones. And the greatest 1-digit number is 9. And the smallest is 0. What comes after 9? When 9 increases by 1, we get 10. Okay? 10 is 2-digit number. 1, 2. And this house is very small. It cannot consist 2 digits. So this one need a new house. And that is T. Tens. T refers to tens. Okay? All 2-digit numbers are belongs to tens family. 10 is the smallest 2-digit number, the first 2-digit number. Then we go on 11 to 99. These all are 2-digit numbers. As you have learned from 0 to 99. These all are from 10 to 99 2-digit numbers. Okay, I am writing here some numbers. Can you recognize them? Which number is this? 23. 2, 3, 22. And 34. Tell me which number is this? 45. And this? 56, 67, and so when we comes at 79, what comes after 79? When 79 increases by 1, 1 is a 1-digit number, so it comes to 9, that is also ones family. 9 becomes tens, but 2-digit cannot live in one house. So 0 remains here and 1 goes to tens family. And there is 7 already. 7 gets 1 10 more and it becomes 8. So we get 80. And same here when it is 99. When we come at 99 and 99 increases by 1 comes to the 9 in one's family, becomes tens, but 2-digit can't live in one house. So 0 remains here and 1 goes to tens family. 9 is already there. It becomes again 10. 2-digit cannot live in one house. So this one again need a new house. That is 100. Okay? And this number name is 100. Okay? Now we have two houses, ones, tens and 100. 1 digit numbers, 2 digits number, 3 digit number. What comes after 100? 100 increases by 1. 1 belongs to one's family. That comes to one's place. And these two, tens and 100 remains the same. Okay? And as we come on 109, again that we have learnt here, after 9 gets 10, so 0 remains on the one's house and 1 goes to the tens house and 100 remains to same. Okay? And so as 111, 112, and the counting goes on till 199. How will you read this number? To read this number, we will break it into 2 parts. Okay? And we read it as 112. 112. Same as 100 and break it into 2 parts. 123. Okay, when we comes at 99, you know 99 becomes 100. So when 99 becomes 100, this one goes to the 100 family and 100 family has already 1. So 1 and 1 becomes 2. After 99 we get 200. Okay, same as on the 300, 400, 500. I am writing here some numbers. Read it. 2, 3, 4. How can we read this? 2 is of 100 family and 34. 234. 234. Now this number, again into 2 parts, 345. Okay, and 540. Okay, the number name of this number 540. So on 677, 784, 856, 998, and then we come at 999. What comes after 999? As you have learned, 99 becomes 100. 2 digit can't live in a family. So 1 goes to 9. That is of 100 family. 9 becomes tens. 2 digit can't live in a family. So this one again need a new house. Which house is that? That is 1000. That is 1000. And this one goes to 1000 house. And the number name of this number 1000. Okay? 1000. 1000. Okay? Understand? So you have to write in your notebook from 0 to 1000 counting. Okay? Keep on practice. For more videos, Stay tuned. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.